Hey you guys, it's your girl Naima. Welcome back to my channel. And I have a Bath&Body Works long overdue SAS haul. So to see what I got, keep on watching. Okay, y'all, as y'all can see, I have not recorded since December because life is life and it is a whole lot going on. And if you hear noise in the background, they are literally repaving the street in front of my house. And I knew if I did not record this video today, it probably wouldn't be up no time soon. So I did shop the SAS sale. Also, January, well, actually the whole 2026, I am trying not to buy any fragrances, any smell goods, lotions, body mists, hand creams, perfumes, body oils, nothing fragrance related, okay? Because I need to use everything that I already have, and this stuff is what I ordered, as y'all know, during the SAS sale, which was before 2026. So let's get all right into it. I look a crazy hot mess because I'm just getting in here from doing all this running around. Also, we have a big snowstorm coming, so I had to prepare the house for that. So let's get on into what I got from Bath& Body. All right, yeah, so let's go ahead and get into it. I did 2 orders. I did one online and one in store for pickup. So I guess we could start with the in-store pickup bag first. I didn't do too much damage. Like I said, I have stuff that I need to use, and the stuff that I did buy is things that I needed. And it was some favorites that came back that I wanted to get as well. All right, so the first thing, I'm just gonna pull out the bag. I got strawberry pound cake. I originally got strawberry pound cake to pair with Strawberry Dream from EOS. This is before they came out with the body spray, okay? I don't know why I just didn't get that because, again, remember, this came out first. So the notes on this is fresh strawberries, golden shortcake, and whipped cream. So I don't think I've ever had strawberry strawberry pound cake in my collection, but she's cute. She's a good oldie but goodie to have in your collection. So with that, I also got the body wash. So I got these two to pair with my Strawberry Dream from EOS, okay, because you can mix and match your things, okay. And then with this order, I was going back and forth to see if I wanted to add any other Vanilla Ease products to my collection because I already have the mist. I didn't think I loved it enough to have like the body wash and the lotion. But again, since this was on sale, this was actually marked down to 75% off. So this is the moisturizing body wash and then vanilla. And this is another one that they said that's not going to be coming back. It's not coming back. So I wanted to get my hands on it. So the notes on this is lavender blossom, creamy vanilla, and soft cedarwood. People say this reminds them of Angam and Burberry Goddess. That does not give that to me. Again, y'all say that gives vanilla, it gives all this. I don't get that when I smell it. So that's another reason why it's like I like it, but she ain't that good to have everything in the collection, okay? So I went on ahead and got this body wash. And then also in this order, I wanted to get the Milk Bar birthday cake. I heard these are being discontinued as well. They didn't have the full size of this one in my location. And I don't know what took me so long to get this. But do this have the notes on it? I don't see the notes on the little bottles. But y'all, she is so good. She smells just like a birthday cake. And it's very gourmand. If you're a gourmand girl, you would love this. And I think this was actually... it actually pairs great with the strawberry shortcake. That's exactly what it smells like. It's just a birthday cake. And you can add whatever flavor to it. So I picked this up. And I also wanted to get some things from the Milk collection, which they were not on sale. The only thing they had on sale was this Shea Butter Cleansing Bar. So I have not used any of the cleansing bars, but I was interested in it. And y'all, this was like $1, okay? So thank you so much. And it's originally $9.95, so I couldn't pass this up. I actually got 2, and I got one for my daughter because she actually loves the Milk line. So yeah, got this cleansing bar. And then I also wanted to pick up one of the Milk hand soap. So this is the raspberry holiday bar. Again, I did not own anything in the Milk collection, so I'm like, let me just go ahead and just add some things that they're on sale. So does this have the notes on it? Yes, the notes is sugar cookie, raspberry jelly, and toasted almonds. I did not like any of the body fragrance part of this collection at all. Ooh, that smells really, really good. Ooh, that smells yummy. Again, in the hand soap, the body in this scent did not smell as good. So again, I was happy to pick that up. And last from this order, y'all, I got my hands on the Champagne Toast deodorant. I have never tried any of Bath and Body Works deodorants, but I was very, very interested. And again, it was on sale. This was the only one that was on sale though. So this is supposed to be a 24-hour deodorant. So I do like the fragrance, but it's not like a fave. So this is what it looks like. I do like that it's a solid. It smells good. So I do also enjoy the Donna Karan Cashmere deodorant. So I'm figuring it all in the same. I don't be out here sweating like crazy. This should be able to be cute and do the job. Nothing too crazy, nothing too cray-cray. So like I said, I want to get this stuff to show it to y'all so I can put it up and throw these bags away. Okay, so let's get into the online order. I was very excited about this order because this is where I found all the discontinued stuff that came back that I really, really, really wanted to get into. So the first item is the blush cardigan. Y'all, I was in love with blush cardigan when it first came out. I actually still have some mist left over. So when I saw the body cream, what? Had to have it. We are not really supposed to be buying the body creams because they do change the formula after a time. It do get a little weird. It get a little yellow. But I feel like I'll be able to use this up before it goes bad. So the notes on this is sweet raspberry, sugared dipped violets, and warm amber. Y'all, if you do not know about this, please get into it. She is so good. And I'm so mad I didn't get more than one. Well, no, I'm happy I didn't. Ooh, she is so good. I'm happy I didn't get more than one because, like I said, they only had it in this form. So, yes, blush cardigan. And then I wanted to get the Midnight Addiction body wash. I do have the spray. I just added the spray to my collection. So I'm like, why not? Okay. Let's just all get these sets together. Okay. And the notes on this is, I don't know. Y'all know the notes about this, but this is supposed to be the dupe for what? The black opium. So yeah, she's good. Now, I'm really excited about these two because I have never smelled these. I wanted to smell them and I heard they were amazing. So this is Cozy Vanilla Bourbon. This is in the body lotion. Y'all, the notes on this is warm bourbon, dark fruit, and vanilla liqueur. Let's smell her together because I'm very, very, very excited for this one. Okay? Very excited. And they are really drilling outside. Like, y'all picked the right days to do this stuff because we about to get a whole damn snowstorm. And y'all out here now trying to fix the damn street. Whatever. All right. Ooh. This is real boozy. I think it's a dark fruit that I'm smelling. What is a dark fruit? And why did I take the top off like that? And I should have did it like this. What is a dark fruit? I don't know, y'all. I don't know about this Cozy Vanilla Bourbon. And I was so excited. I had high, high hopes for this because I also got it in the body wash. I don't know, y'all. Maybe the body wash will give off a different vibe in the shower, but this IDK. I don't think I like that. Don't shoot me. I don't think I like that. Finally, of course, you can't do a Bath and Body Works haul without any brief Wallflowers. So again, I was just shopping the stuff that were on sale. Okay. So the three I picked up, the first one is Snowflakes and Cashmere. This is actually a good one. Did this have the notes on it? I always say that. Yes, vanilla cashmere cream, caramel woods, frosted clementine. So that's that one. Then y'all, I was so excited when I saw white t-shirt. Y'all, white t-shirt used to be my jam. The notes on this is crisp pear, lavender cloud, and soft sandalwood. Y'all, this is a cute, clean, fresh scent. So I'll probably put that one in the bathroom. And last and finally, not least, marshmallow fireside. You cannot do a haul without getting marshmallow fireside, okay? The notes on this is toasted marshmallows, smoldering woods, and roasted vanilla. Y'all, this is a oldie but a all-time goodie, okay? Alright, y'all, so that is it for this haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If I come across some other stuff to haul, because remember, I'm not doing any smell goods, any and none of that, okay? I want to do not buy. And I'm serious. I'm serious. I promise you, I'm not buying no smell goods. Alright, y'all. I'm gone. Okay, wait a minute. The dry down. Okay, the dry down on this one maybe have to be a thing. But I just feel like with like lotions, why do it have to dry down? I just want it to smell like it smells right now. Yeah, I don't know, y'all. But yeah, but I'll be back. I'll probably do like a post over here or something to let y'all know what I feel about it. But right now, your girl ain't liking it. It's giving sour. Okay. All right, you guys. What's up to all my new subscribers? What up to my OGs? Y'all know what's good. Rate, comment, and subscribe. And I hope you guys have an amazing day. And I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.